So here's what the squat rack looks like now. As you can see, you got a couple layers of red Rust-Oleum paint on there. I got white in some of the sections as well, as you can see right there. And now I'm just gonna show you some of the process. I basically started with each side. I took the whole thing apart and I decided to, spray paint one side, make sure I got a couple of coats on there before I flipped it over, so that way I can get all the defects out of it, because this rack's been used a lot. There's a lot of scratches on it. So here's some of that footage right now. But that's it for this one, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to learn how to get stronger and build more muscle, start now by subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.